Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and toys. Today, we're diving into one of the best play drum sets available on the market, the VTech KidiBeats Kids Drum Set in vibrant orange. Whether you're shopping for a gift or looking to encourage your little one's musical journey, this could be the perfect fit. Let's explore why. First off, let's talk design and build quality. The VTech KidiBeats drum set is specifically crafted for toddlers aged 2 to 5 years old. It features 3 drum pads and a cymbal, each producing unique sounds that are not only fun but also aid in sensory development. What sets this drum set apart is its versatility. It offers 4 modes of play: free play, letters, numbers, and follow along. This means your child can learn while they play, exploring different rhythms and melodies in styles like rock, dance, and pop. From an educational standpoint, this drum set is a winner. It helps with visualization memory, musical creativity, and even introduces letters and numbers in an engaging way. Plus, each drum pad features LED lights, adding a visual element to the learning experience. Now, let's touch on durability. Constructed with young drummers in mind, it's sturdy enough to withstand enthusiastic play sessions. And, of course, safety is paramount. VTech ensures all materials are child-safe, providing peace of mind for parents. Battery-wise, it includes 3 Ah batteries for demo purposes, so you can start playing right out of the box. For extended use, it's recommended to swap these out for new batteries to keep the beats going. In conclusion, if you're looking to introduce your child to the world of music in a fun and educational way, the VTech KidiBeats Kids Drum Set is an excellent choice. It combines learning with play seamlessly, all while nurturing their musical talents from a young age. That wraps up our review today on the VTech KidiBeats Drum Set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep drumming and keep exploring with Product Critique. Thanks for watching.